Today we are going to see about healthy diet. First of all, we are going to see about balanced diet. A balanced diet is based on the Eat Well guide. An unbalanced diet can lead to diet related disease. Next, we are going to see about malnutrition. Having intakes of energy and nutrients below or increase the excess of needs for long periods of time can affect health. This is called malnutrition. Severe undernutrition is rare in the United Kingdom but can be common in some developing countries. However, undernutrition does occur in the UK, example micronutrient deficiencies. Children suffer the effects of starvation. Starvation means not enough food for compared to adult to children. Next, undernutrition. Undernutrition is mainly related to the problems are kwashiorkor and marasmus. The main common problems are protein allergy malnutrition. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K is stored in the body for it take time for digestion. Water soluble vitamins are not stored in the body, so diseases are quickly suffered from the humans. Next, overnutrition. Overnutrition is the problem usually associated with developed countries such as UK. The most common overnutrition problem is obesity caused by too much of energy being consumed or high levels of inactivity. Next, malnutrition. The risk of malnutrition increased by increased requirements for some nutrients, restricted range of foods, reduction in available income, very low income, medical conditions, then psychological conditions. These are mainly suffered for malnutrition. Next one, cancer. Cancer is the complex disease which can take a long time to develop. A wide variety of factors are involved in the development of cancer, including age, genetics, environment, hormones, and then infections. Next, cancer occurs when abnormal cells in the body develop and increase rapidly. The abnormal cells can also spread to other parts of the body and multiply. Cancer can occur in different parts of the body. Mainly, men's occur prostate cancer or lung cancer. Females are mostly suffer in breast cancer or bowel cancers. Next, coronary heart disease. Coronary heart disease is caused by the narrowing blood vessels to the heart. This reduces the flow of the blood to the heart. If one blood vessel becomes completely blocked, the blood supply to the part of the heart stops and the part is damaged. This is called heart attack. Then BMI is body mass index. The chances of suffering from CHD, coronary heart disease, is affected by many factors. These are called risk factors. Risk factors are male, older, the cigarette smoker, overweight, inactive, stressed. These are come male. Then female, then family history, high blood cholesterol, high BP, then high intake of saturated fats. Then diabetes is one of the main factors. Next, then coronary heart disease, mainly increasing oil fish intake, reducing salt intake, increasing fruit and vegetables, decreasing alcohol consumption for the diet factors. Next, physical activity. Physical activity is nothing but a person regularly consumes more energy from food and drink than they need. They will start to gain weight, eventually becoming overweight. For example, energy in greater than energy out. Extra energy from food and drink is stored in the body as fat. There are range of weights which are considered healthy for the given weight. This can be calculated by calculating BMI. BMI is equal to weight divided by height square. Next. Then obesity. Obesity is the overnutrition disease. It's mainly suffered coronary heart disease, type 2 diabetes, gallstones, arthritis, high blood pressure. Some type of cancer also suffered from obesity. Next, bone health. Bone health is nothing but the main calcium problems. Okay, calcium is important for the strong bones. Vitamin D is needed for calcium to be absorbed from the food. Osteoporosis is a disease where bones become weak, brittle and break easily, caused by severe losses of calcium. During childhood, adolescence and early adulthood, calcium and other substances are added to the bone. This make it stronger. After the age of 30 to 35, bone loss begins. After the menopause, women lost bone at increased rate. Next, bone health. Strong bones contain plenty of calcium and the strength of affected by genetics, sex, diet, exercise, body weight and hormones. Consuming adequate amounts of calcium and vitamin throughout life will help the bone health and strength. Anemia is nothing but it's a vitamin A deficiency. The mineral iron is vital for making red blood cells. The iron from diet from hemoglobin which carries oxygen in the blood. If the body is stored in iron low and there is too little iron in the diet, the symptoms of iron deficiency is anemia will start to develop. This is particularly common in young women who have higher iron requirements due to their menstrual cycle. Iron from animal source is generally more easily absorbed than iron from plant source. Vitamin C increases absorption of iron from plant sources. Today we have discussed these topics are healthy diet. Under the healthy diet topics are balanced diet, then malnutrition, undernutrition, overnutrition, anemia, then cancer. Thank you.